Imagine a battlefield where a single soldier commands a swarm of invisible drones, capable of sneaking past enemy lines undetected, or a warship that disappears from radar like a ghost in the mist. What if I told you this isn't the plot of a sci-fi movie, but the reality of modern military technology? Welcome to the world of the most insane military inventions that change the game forever. War has been a catalyst for some of humanity's most groundbreaking inventions. Throughout history, conflict has forced societies to push the boundaries of their imagination and technological capabilities. Think about it. Where would the world be without the accidental innovations birthed from military needs? From ancient times, when Chinese alchemists unintentionally created gunpowder while searching for immortality, to the race for nuclear weapons during World War II, the story of warfare is inseparable from the story of human progress. Fast forward to today, and we're witnessing a technological arms race unlike anything the world has ever seen. It's no longer about who has the biggest armies or the strongest weapons. It's about who can think the fastest, move the stealthiest, and strike with surgical precision from halfway across the globe. The battlefield has evolved from trenches and tanks to invisible jets, autonomous killer drones, and weapons powered by energy instead of bullets. Now imagine this. A single soldier in a combat zone with access to technology so advanced it blurs the line between science fiction and reality. Drones that act like a swarm of bees, moving together to overwhelm defenses. Aircraft invisible to radar. Missiles that travel faster than sound itself, reaching their target before the enemy even knows what hit them. This isn't just innovation, it's a redefinition of warfare as we know it. Today, we are stepping into the jaw-dropping world of military technologies that are so advanced, so futuristic, they would have seemed impossible just a few decades ago. But here's the catch. They're not just blueprints or experiments locked away in labs. They are real, and they are being deployed on battlefields as we speak. From the cutting edge to the outright insane, these inventions have the power to change the world, for better or for worse. Let's explore the technological marvels that are pushing the limits of human ingenuity, challenging the ethics of war, and making us question what the future of conflict will look like. Buckle up, because what you're about to discover will leave you awestruck. 1. Hypersonic missiles. Speeding past the sound barrier. Hypersonic missiles like Russia's Avangard or the US's Prompt Global Strike System travel at over 5,000 miles per hour, more than 5 times the speed of sound. These weapons can strike targets anywhere in the world within minutes, making traditional defenses almost obsolete. Their ability to maneuver mid-flight makes them nearly impossible to intercept, a true game-changer in modern warfare. Did you know that hypersonic missiles can generate so much heat that they glow like shooting stars during flight? 2. Stealth technology, the art of invisibility. The F-35 Lightning II and B-2 Spirit Bomber are masterpieces of stealth technology. Designed to evade radar, these aircraft absorb and scatter radar waves, making them appear as tiny blips or even vanish altogether. The next generation, like China's stealth drones, takes this tech to an insane level by adding AI-powered navigation systems. If the enemy can't see you, how can they fight you? Stealth aircraft are turning the rules of engagement upside down. 3. Laser weapons. Sci-fi turned reality. Laser weapons like the U.S. Navy's Laser Weapons System, LAWS, can destroy incoming missiles, drones, and even boats with pinpoint accuracy, all at the speed of light. No ammunition, no recoil, just pure energy. These systems are also cheaper per shot compared to traditional missiles. Did you know? A single laser burst costs less than $1, while intercepting the same threat with a missile might cost millions. 4. Exoskeletons. Super soldiers are here. Imagine soldiers with the strength to lift heavy equipment effortlessly or run at superhuman speeds. Exoskeletons, like Lockheed Martin's Onyx system, provide soldiers with enhanced mobility and reduced fatigue, turning them into near-invincible warriors. Picture this, a soldier effortlessly carrying a 200-pound load across rough terrain while dodging enemy fire. That's not fiction anymore. It's today's military reality. 5. Autonomous drones. Swarms of destruction, AI-controlled drones like the US MQ-9 Reaper or Turkey's Bayraktar TB2 are revolutionizing modern warfare. But it doesn't stop there. Swarm drone technology allows hundreds of drones to work together, overwhelming enemy defenses with sheer numbers. A single drone is dangerous, but a swarm is unstoppable. The future of warfare might not involve human soldiers at all. 6. Railguns. Magnetic destruction. Railguns use electromagnetic forces to launch projectiles at speeds exceeding Mach 7 times the speed of sound. These weapons can strike targets over 100 miles away with devastating impact, all without using explosives. The kinetic energy alone from a railgun projectile can destroy a tank, making it a weapon of pure destruction. 7. Quantum radar. No more hiding stealth technology might be revolutionary, but quantum radar is the answer. Using entangled photons, this technology can detect even the most advanced stealth aircraft. Countries like China are heavily investing in this futuristic tech. What if your stealth bomber was visible the moment it took off? Quantum radar might just make that nightmare a reality for militaries. 8. Artificial intelligence in warfare. The ultimate brainpower. From predictive analysis to autonomous weapons, AI is transforming military strategies. AI-driven systems can analyze battlefields, predict enemy movements, and even decide when and where to strike. The ethics of such systems are hotly debated, but their effectiveness is undeniable. How far is too far? When machines decide who lives and dies, is humanity ready for this power? 9. Robotic combat units, the future of ground forces. Meet the robots of war, like Boston Dynamics' Big Dog or Russia's Uran 9. These machines are designed to carry supplies, scout enemy positions, and even engage in combat. With AI integration, they're becoming smarter and deadlier. Imagine an army of robots storming a battlefield, silent, relentless, and immune to fear. Are human soldiers becoming obsolete? 10. Biological and chemical defense, fighting the invisible enemy. In the face of potential biological or chemical threats, military scientists have developed cutting-edge defense systems. Advanced suits, decontamination technologies, and vaccines ensure that soldiers are prepared for even the most insidious attacks. What's scarier than an invisible enemy that strikes silently? The answer lies in these life-saving inventions. From hypersonic missiles that strike targets at unimaginable speeds to AI-driven robots that redefine what it means to be a soldier, these inventions highlight the extraordinary heights humanity can reach when innovation becomes a necessity. The technologies we've explored today are not just tools. They are harbingers of a new era of warfare. They showcase our boundless creativity and determination, even under the harshest conditions. Yet with this immense power comes an equally immense responsibility. These advancements pose questions that go far beyond the battlefield. How will these technologies impact geopolitics, global security, and even humanity's understanding of ethics? When machines can think, decide, and even kill without human intervention, what role do we as humans still play? Hypersonic missiles may be unstoppable, but who ensures they are never misused? AI can predict and neutralize threats, but who defines what those threats are? The future of warfare is not just a military question, it's a societal one. As these inventions become more sophisticated, the lines between defense, offense, and morality blur. The choices made today will echo for generations, shaping the world our children inherit. Will these technologies serve as a deterrent, making wars so destructive and costly that peace becomes the only viable option? Or are we unwittingly stepping into a future where humanity loses control, pushed to the brink by the very tools we've created? These inventions could usher in an age of unparalleled peace or plunge us into chaos beyond anything we've ever imagined. One thing is certain, warfare will never be the same again. As we stand on the precipice of this technological revolution, the question isn't just what we can create, it's whether we can responsibly wield the power we now hold in our hands. Let that thought sink in.